Ever wondered why the sun makes some people sneeze? In the next few seconds, you will find out why. It's called the photic sneeze reflex. Around 18 to 35% of people experience this phenomenon. When you step into bright sunlight, your eyes struggle to adjust. The sudden light triggers the optic nerve. This nerve crosses paths with the trigeminal nerve. The trigeminal nerve controls facial movements, including sneezing. The cross signals make your brain think your nose needs to sneeze. So you let out an involuntary sneeze. Interestingly, this trait is inherited. If one of your parents sneezes in the sun, you might too. So next time you feel a sunny sneeze coming, you know why. Like what you see? Subscribe for more intriguing facts.